Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to blur only a part of your video. So first of all, you have your composition with your video here, and you have to click with the right button of your mouse. Here you select new and then adjustment layer. Now at this point, the adjustment layer is the entire area of your video. And you have to scale it to the exact area you want to blur. For doing so, you have to click here in one of the corners and resize it. For example, here. And you also have to position it in the part you want to blur. For example, I want to blur over here, system. So I will move it there and scale it and center it. Then another aspect you have to take care of is the duration. In this case, by default, it lasts the entire video. As you can see here in the timeline, it goes from the from 0 seconds, 0 minutes until the end of the video. But it might happen that you want to blur this part only for a specific time. So for doing so, you have to click here and you drag and drop. You have to keep it pressed and slide it, basically. For example, let's say you want to blur it in this specific time, at this specific time until here. Okay, now we set we set up the time, we scale it to the area of interest. Now we're going to add the blur. So you select the adjustment layer, you click on Effects, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian Blur. And at this point, you set up a value, for example, 20. And if you move this blue, I don't know how to call it, blue slider, in the exact time in which this is supposed to be blurred, you will see that it is effectively blurred over here. So if you press play now, as you can see, initially nothing is blurred, then it is blurred for a specific time, and then it's not blurred anymore. So you can play around with this according to your specifications. This is for something that has to be blurred and is static, so it's not moving. In case it is moving, then you will have to do other operations. Okay, that's pretty much it. See you.